Hello everyone and welcome to this Coursera review. Online platforms have become essential for career development and skill enhancement. Coursera launched in 2012 and is one of the leading platforms offering a wide range of courses, specializations, and degree programs. This review will delve into the features, pricing, pros and cons of Coursera to help you decide if it's the best choice for your online learning needs. Oh, and by the way, we have the link to Coursera in the description below so you can get a head start on your learning journey. Now, onto the features. Coursera partners with over 300 top universities and companies like Google and Microsoft to provide high-quality educational content. So here are some of the key features. Variety of courses. Coursera offers courses, specializations, professional certificates, and even full degrees in various fields. User interface. The platform has a simple and user-friendly interface, thus making it easy to navigate and find courses. Career resources. It provides tools for job preparation, including interview prep and resume advice. And when it comes to flexibility, courses are self-paced, thus allowing users and learners to study at their own convenience. When it comes to pricing, Coursera's pricing can be complex, but here's a general overview. You have free courses. Now, many courses are available for free, but you won't receive a certificate. There are paid courses and certificates, and this typically require a subscription, which can cost around $39 per month. Financial aid is available for those who need it in some cases, covering up to 90% of the costs. Specialization and degrees. These often requires submissions as well, with prices varying based on the program. Then you have Coursera Plus, which offers access to most courses for a flat annual fee of $399 per year, which can be more cost-effective for frequent learners. And now to the pros and cons. Starting with the pro, you have high quality content because Coursera partners with top universities and companies to ensure quality education. Flexibility is a pro because you're self-paced with courses that fit well with your busy schedules. And career resources. They provide useful tools for job seekers. And certificates are accredited. And this can enhance your career prospects. On the flip side, with the cons, the pricing can be complex, especially if you're a new user. Variable course quality. Some courses may lack hands-on exercises or have varying quality. No personalized support. There is a limited mentorship or one-on-one coaching. So in conclusion, we can say that Coursera is a robust platform offering a wide range of educational opportunities, especially for those seeking career advancement through professional certificates. While it has its drawbacks, such as complex pricing and variable course quality, the benefits often outweigh these issues for many learners. So, are you ready to start your learning journey? Well, click on the link in the description so you can get a head start at getting to Coursera. Consider the pros and see if Coursera is right for you. We hope you found this helpful, and if you did, let us know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.